to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome again back to another Let's Go JA Tours. And today we're going to be taking a trip from Lyndrust Road all the way up to Trenchtown, the home of reggae. On this route we're going to see the headquarters for RGR Radio, the Arnette Gardens Stadium, and the former home of Bob Marley. So don't forget to like and comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to see more tours of our beautiful country of Jamaica. So now relax, drink a red stripe, and enjoy the ride. So we're now on Lyndrust Road, and Lyndrust Road actually runs parallel with a half a tree road. So just in case there's some either accident or a lot of traffic on half a tree road that takes you to Crossroad, you can use this route as an alternative route. So if you look to the right in front of the gas station, you'll see a depot or a branch of the Salvation Army. So you can go there if you want to drop off clothing or items for the Salvation Army. So if we take the left turn at the stoplight, that will take us onto Beechwood Avenue. And Beechwood Avenue is the home of the Observer, which is or was owned by Bush Stewart, who recently died, and the Heart Foundation. And now to our left is the RGR radio station. And if you look to the right, you'll see a bunch of cars parked up on a lot. That is the Transport Authority car pound. So just in case they seize their vehicle, that is where they will put it on a truck or a wrecker and bring it to. So if we had continued straight, that will take us down Lyndrust Road and end us up onto Studio One Boulevard. But we took the left turn onto West Road, and this will bring us into the community of Trenchtown. Now, Trenchtown is the birthplace of rocksteady and reggae music. It is also the home of a reggae legend, Bob Marley. Trenchtown comprises of several communities in one. There's Wilton Gardens, also known as Rima. There's Arnette Gardens, which is known as Jungle. There's Havana. There's Federal Gardens and Buckers. Trenchtown also homes two football clubs in the Jamaican Football Association or League. That's Arnette Gardens and Boys Town. So as we come to this roundabout, we'll take the left onto Collie Smith Drive. But if you look right, you will see the football field of Arnette Gardens. O'Neill Gordon Collie Smith. He was actually a famous cricketer for the West Indies cricket team, and he was born here in Boys Town or Trench Town. So to honor him, they named this road Collie Smith Drive in memory of him. So as you might know, guys, this is an inner city community of Kingston, Jamaica. And as you might know, guys, that on this side that I'm driving on the left side, it's one way down, and then on the right side is one way coming up. So if we take the right turn here, that will take us to Trenchtown Police Station. And if you look to the left here at this wall, you actually see pictures of the reggae legend. This is how impactful these persons were in the Trenchtown community. Peter Tosh, Alton Ellis, Bob Marley. These are persons that used to frequent here and recorded here. And you might notice that we're coming up to a checkpoint. However, the security forces, the soldiers and the police officers are relaxing a little bit. This is actually due to the violence that is taking place in the West Kingston area. Because of that, they have to have a strong security presence here. Sorry about that, guys. I actually thought that was the road where the Bob Marley's home was, but it wasn't. It's actually coming up. The street that it's on is called First Street, and his home is now a museum that you can actually get a tour. It's called Culture Yard. Beyonce and Jay-Z, when they visited here in Jamaica, sometime in 2019, they actually came and did a tour of Bob Marley's home. And directly in front of us, we actually see the Maypen Cemetery. Yes, the Maypen Cemetery is in Kingston, Jamaica. So that's brought us to the end of our tour, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.